Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into a super straightforward tutorial on how to change your username on YouTube in 2025. Whether you're rebranding your channel or just want a fresh start, this process is quick and easy. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you're logged into your YouTube account on a desktop or the mobile app. It's easiest on a computer for this. Once you're in, head over to your profile icon in the top right corner and click on it. From the drop-down menu, select Settings or YouTube Studio if you're a creator. This is where the magic happens. Now, in the Settings menu, look for the Account or Channel section. You'll find an option labeled something like Channel Name or Display Name. Click on that, and it should prompt you to edit your current username. Type in your new desired username. Keep it unique and memorable. Before you save, YouTube will check if the username is available. If it is, great. If not, you'll get a notification to try something else. Once you've got an available name, hit Save or Confirm. Don't worry, this change might take a few minutes to update across the platform. One quick tip. Changing your username could affect your custom URL, so double-check that in your channel settings afterward. Also, remember that YouTube has guidelines for usernames, so avoid anything inappropriate to prevent issues. And there you have it. That's all you need to do to update your YouTube username in 2025. If you found this helpful, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop a comment below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.